everyone, let's talk about geosphere. We all know that the Earth is comprised of four main components. That is hydrosphere, water, biospheres, life, atmosphere, air, and the last one is geosphere, solid.
The geospheres comes from the Greek words geo meaning earth and sphaira meaning ball or sphere. The geosphere is the earth itself, the rock, mineral and landform of the surface and interior. Below the crust, which varies in depth from about 5 km beneath the ocean floor to up 7 km below surface, temperature are high enough for diffusion and pace like flows and elements. The primary agent driving